Hi, just a quick visual of what the IT department sent along. So first of all, to access the class, do the MyMCC page and then hit that blue tile here. And then you'll see your courses and then you can click into our algebra class. Now, if it's not letting you see your classes when you hit the tile, then you need to try clearing your browser history. And we do that by, if I am in Google, I'm going to go up here to this snowman icon, right, because it's got three dots. Click that and you should see settings. And then once you're in settings, if you just scroll down in privacy and security, you'll see clear browsing data. And then make sure that this cached images and files is clicked. You don't necessarily have to do the other two. And then click clear data and then exit out of everything and sign back into MyMCC and see if that works. If not, give me a holler on my mobile. Thank you.